I don't know about you, but I'm not quite keen on all the wood effect. Today I'm going to upgrade the fridge.
Oh, what's occurring?
Today I've got a little job that I've been wanting to do for a while in our motorhome. The motorhome we've got 2005, so it's a little bit overpowering with the amount of wood effect that's everywhere. Not my cup of tea, so I thought I'd try and modernise things a little bit. The fridge we've got is it's a Dometic automatic energy selection 3-way fridge. It's got the wood style panels on the doors. I think there's enough wood in the motorhome. I shall endeavour to spruce it up a little bit. And there is the said fridge, and as you can see, it's just wood. So I intend to just vinyl wrap the panels on the fridge door, and we'll see how that turns out. First job is to get the panel out, which I've got to be honest is easily enough. You have 1, 2, 3 screws there, and basically undo that and the panel should slide out. Take 3 screws out. On top then you'll see the plastic cover will come out, and now all that is on the front of the fridge is just, there you go, slide out the sheet just like that. And the vinyl wrap that I will be using is from B&Q DC Fix. I've used it before on cupboard doors and things, and it's very good. This particular one is 67.5 centimeters wide by 2 meters long and was £7.50. This is the gloss black. As this panel sits inside recesses, this is going to be quite an easy job. Roll out the vinyl wrap, place the sheet on it, and then basically you can just draw around it, get this nice and square on there. Nice and easy. And now trusty old scissors and cut it out. So there is your little piece of vinyl wrap. First of all, we'll give this a nice clean down and dry it off a bit. And this vinyl wrap, now all you do with this is just peel the backing off, which to get started I always find a bit of a pain. But there you go. Lovely. We just need to line up the edges. That is it. Now the little difficult side of this now is to make sure there's no air bubbles. Try and keep as many bubbles out as possible. If they do get bubbles, it will just peel itself off. And the thing is, if you do get some small bubbles, you can get rid of them quite easily, just with a little heat gun. Heat it up and they will just disappear. There we have one vinyl covered door. The beauty of vinyl wrap is that if you don't like it or you want to change the colour in the future, you can just peel it back off. How easy is that? And as I said, just because this has got covers that will go over the, you got the edging that covers everything, it doesn't have to wrap around, which makes it dead easy. Otherwise you fold it over and wrap it on yourself. There you go. Bubble free, which is what we want. And now we can put it back into position. There you go. That's all the way back down. Lovely. Whoops. And we shall replace the cover on. 3 screws for this. I'm not one to normally like videoing my jobs, but Rian has been on. Anything you do, make sure you record it so we can have some content. She's still in bed, she is. So there you go. There's the 3 screws back on. There you have it. What do you think? And the same on the bottom one. I won't go through that. Same procedure. And I'll show you the finished product in a minute. 20 minutes later, and £7.50 cost for the reel, and still a bit of vinyl wrap left over, we have the finished product. And I think that that does look better than when it is all wood. A little bit more modern, not to anybody's taste, but I like it. And also there are various different colours of this vinyl wrap you can do, so if you don't like it you can change it. I've also done, so started doing, the cabinets up the top. There you go. And as they were all wood, just like all these, so I shall carry on doing these ones as well. And it's a cheap and quick fix for modernising your older or elderly motorhome. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and see you on the next one. Ta-ra.
Oh, what's occurring?